The people are real. The cases are questionable. The rulings are definitely fake. These people have COVID-19 disputes. Both parties have agreed to drop their complaints and have their issues resolved remotely here in Kyla's court. They've submitted their disputes through our online forum for a resolution from Judgy Kyla. And now, here's Judgy Kyla. All rise. Kyla's court is now in session.
Thank you. Be seated. Today we have another dispute submitted to us via Twitter. Justin Turner, M-O-T, I don't know what that means, at OTJustinT on Twitter writes, I have a friend who is a healthcare worker, and their partner has asked them to cease working during the pandemic for fear of catching COVID-19. Oh, that's rough, dude. Neither is immunocompromised, and both are healthy 27-year-olds. They live together in a small apartment. Is my friend's partner justified? Well, Justin, your friend's partner is justified in these circumstances. While people who are healthcare workers do sign up recognizing that there is some sort of risk associated with catching diseases or becoming ill in the course of their work, their partners don't make that decision. And even if you're healthy and in your 20s, your late 20s, you can still catch COVID-19. So the risk of exposure and the risk of catching the disease and then spreading it at home in a small apartment is very significant. The partner has an obligation to protect his own health and to indicate to his partner that he is somebody who is concerned about that and to ask his partner to consider doing something to protect him. Our relationships with our loved ones are very important to us, and it's important to ensure that we respect their wishes where they are reasonable, or at least consider them and have an honest discussion about them. If the partner is so concerned about catching COVID-19, other options could be explored, such as the partner who is working in healthcare staying in a hotel or staying elsewhere during the pandemic and during the work that they're doing, or checking with their employer to see if they could be transferred to an area that doesn't involve working with COVID-19 patients. If these two could have an honest discussion about how they feel and take their emotions off the table, perhaps they could find a solution. You can pass along this ruling from Kyla's court. My ruling is that they need to have further discussion.
Tune in for another exciting episode of Kyla's Court.
Kyla's Court is not a real court. All submissions are the express property of Kyla Lee Heavy Industries and Lee Pharmaceuticals, a division of Lee Shipbuilding and Dredging.